What's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Leganier here, co-founder of Online Success Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get payments of $25 over and over and over again using a simple strategy that I'm going to talk to you about now. So quick question. Are you using attraction marketing to get sales and to build your brand on social media? If you're not, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. A lot of people use ads to get their link out. But you know what? If you use attraction marketing is a great strategy because it builds the know, like, and trust and your brand, your niche. And when people know, like, and trust you, they buy from you, not the company that you promote. So to get this, let's get to this $25. So when you pay the $25, this is what you get. You get this PDF. And what this is an exact blueprint that's going to teach you step by step how to apply the attraction marketing principle. So, and you also get a 25-day social media challenge. Okay, so I'm going to just walk through some of the strategies and stuff that you get here. So number one, it's all about mindset. So this PDF is going to help you, this blueprint is going to help you get into the right frame of mind to get started. Then we get right into the attraction marketing blueprint. So it talks to you about attraction marketing, the importance of branding you, giving value, building a targeted audience, all this stuff, right? For out the gate. Then you have 2 weeks. 2 weeks to show that you will be able to increase your engagement and your and get more sales. So the first 2 weeks, there's about 10 things that you need to do every day. And if you do these, 11. And if you do these 11 things that is outlined here, you are going to see success. Then after 2 weeks, there's more tasks for you to do so that you can have the success that you're looking for. Also, during this challenge, this social media challenge, you're going to be challenged to work on your profile, to optimize it. And this takes you right through it. It gives you all the steps to optimize your social media so that all the stuff that you're doing will not be in vain. And it goes through what type of images you should be using, emojis, tagging, comments, the type of comments you should be using, structure, your stories, your call to action. I mean, this is a real comprehensive PDF. This is I have to say that this is the best $25 investment that I have ever made because it lays everything out, your routine, what groups you should be involved in, everything that you need for attraction marketing, your biography, your cover photo. Like I said, it gives you everything that you need, especially when it comes to your stories. What do you use in your stories? It goes over that. Your emails. If you're building a list, you want to email your list. There's several examples in here that you can use, that you can tweak to make it even better. So, to make your sales even better. So, the next thing that you need to do is below this video, there in the description is a link. So you're going to click the link, fill out your name and your email, and then you're going to get a page and it's going to outline everything that I just talked about. You fill out the form, you pay your $25, and voila, you will have this attraction marketing blueprint that is proven to work. Attraction marketing has been around since I would say decades. Okay? Yeah, because I've been in this industry for over decades and it works. Let me tell you, I was the one that had issues with getting leads and sales online. And it wasn't until I decided to use this attraction marketing blueprint that helped me to be the influencer that I am now. So make sure that below this, you click on the link. Like I said, you will fill out the form. You're going to get another form. You read through that form, fill out the form, send your $25 payment. You will get access to this, and then you will be able to do the same for your audience. I mean, don't you know a lot of people in business? Yeah, we all do. And we all can use help in attraction marketing. So this blueprint is the way to go. So make sure that you click the link. And also don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe so that you can get more videos like this. You'll be notified when I upload more videos like this. I will see you on the inside. Have an amazing day.